so much fun. Our little ones dance with so much energy and happiness. Didn't they do an amazing job? Let's clap for them again.
Poetry is the language of the soul. It brings emotion to life, fill the air with rhythm, and connect us to the beauty of words.
Now it's time to experience that beauty through the talented student of class 1. They have prepared a wonderful Bengali poem from us, filled with meaning, creativity, and their unique experience.
They will tell us what's going on. So dear audience, let's clap for our budding poets of class 1 as they take the stage to mesmerize us with their heartfelt performance.
Participants are Kakoli, Oritri, Subha,